Hello my dear friends, my name is Manav and I am going to telling about the topic which is given as passage is eve-teasing. Eve-teasing is a very heinous crime in our country. We saw in our daily life that when the girls come from school, college and job, some people roam there around and they tease them by blow whistle and call different names. The result is that most of the families not send their daughters from outside for studying and worse because they are afraid if they send their daughter in outside for studies, they will be teased by someone. But in my opinion, boys are not only responsible for eve-teasing, girls are eve-teasing because today's age is fashionable age. Everyone wants to become popular. They show the girls are wear short type clothes for become popular. They upload video on social media and many etc. palaces. So girls are also responsible for this, and our film industry is also responsible for because the film industry release the erotica films and the teenagers also affected them, and the women empowerment also affected by this because most of the families not give the freedom of their daughters, and but it is moral duty of our parents and all of the society parents because they are teach their children's most moral duties because they should teach them that we should respect girls, daughters and everyone in our society. Thank you.
My name is Ashok Kumar. Let me talk about the topic eve-teasing. Eve-teasing is a harassment. Eve-teasing is a very ashamed issue of our country, our society girls, because every girl work done by out of home, they are molested by the boys, every abusing names and etc. They do not tell about eve-teasing our family because they do not want to our family respects and etc. They suppressed by the boys. They do not work every time, but every time. Oh, boys are very responsible of the eve-teasing because of they do not think that they call name about the girls. They do not think that they have our sisters and others, and boys are not responsible for the eve-teasing. The girls are very responsible for the eve-teasing because of they are wearing very short clothes and clothes. They want to be very popular of our society and the family, but they do not think that every man and others peoples make over their nude videos and photos viral on social media. They are eve-teasing on the very popular. They are very popular, and most of the reason of eve-teasing because of our family members not to punishment the boys of because they are supporting in the eve-teasing. They do not. I suggest that our families are very responsible of the boys. They do any heinous crime, there are very strict punishment of the boys, and our governments should many strict steps about the heinous crime of the boys. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Singh Shekhawat. Tell me discuss about the topic eve-teasing. My friends, as we know that very well, eve-teasing means sexually harassment of girls. My friends, the responsible this issue. Besides, girls are responsible. there are many regions of evatism. Girls are wearing very short clothes and not provide very well education of girls. Very well. I share my part of school life. One day I attend my physics class. After that there is a beautiful girl sit my class, and all students saw the girl, but Ashok has not control our feel. Then after Ashok, that is girls evatism. I suggest this topic. Government strict rules or regulations are followed, and thank you, sir.